Intermittent fasting has taken the health and fitness world by storm with claims of weight loss, improved metabolism, and even longevity. But does it really work? In this video, we will uncover the truth about intermittent fasting, backed by. This video is sponsored by Buy Mode eShopping. Discover incredible deals on top products and daily essentials. Tap the link in the description to download the app and start saving now. Intermittent fasting is not a diet, it is an eating pattern. Instead of focusing on what you eat, it focuses on when you eat. The most popular method include the 16 is to 8 method, where you fast for 16 hours and eat within an 8-hour window. That is the 5 is to 2 method, where you eat normally for 5 days and restrict calories for 2, and OMAD, that is one meal a day. When you eat, your body uses glucose for energy. But when you fast, your body switches to burning stored fat for fuel. This metabolic switch helps with fat loss, regulates blood sugar, and may even promote cell repair through a process called autophagy. Intermittent fasting offers a range of benefits, including weight loss, improved insulin sensitivity, enhanced brain function, and even a reduced risk of chronic diseases. Some studies suggest it may also extend lifespan. Intermittent fasting naturally reduces calorie intake and boosts fat fat burning hormones like norepinephrine. Studies show that fasting can lead to significant weight loss while preserving muscle mass. However, it is not a magic solution. You still need to eat healthy during your eating window. There are a lot of misconceptions about fasting. Some believe it slows metabolism, when in reality, short term fasting can boost metabolism. Others think it causes muscle loss, but studies show fasting preserves lean muscle if you eat enough protein. Intermittent fasting can be great for many people, but it is not for everyone. Pregnant women, people with history of eating disorders, or those with certain medical conditions should consult a doctor before trying. If you are considering intermittent fasting, here are some tips to make it work for you. Stay hydrated, eat nutrients dense meals during your eating window, avoid binge eating, and listen to your body. The goal is sustainability. So, does intermittent fasting really work? Yes, but it depends on your lifestyle and goals. Science supports its benefits, but the key is consistency and balanced diet. If it fits your routine, it can be an effective tool for weight loss and overall health. Now, I want to hear from you. Have you tried intermittent fasting? What was your experience? Let us discuss in the comments. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more health and fitness tips.